Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2004 Nissan Titan LE. This has the 5.6 liter endurance V8. And what's really cool is I found this in the glove box. That is correct. This is the original window sticker from 2004, which, filming this on May 5th, 2024, this is a 20-year-old piece of paper. Super silent timing. This is what I really miss about the 2004 era. Look at this font. 2004 Pickup Truck of the Year from Four Wheeler Magazine, which I think turned into Truck Trend, which is now gone. So we're like 3 magazines away here. 5.6 dual overhead cam, 32 valve endurance V8, 305 horsepower. Really impressive, 379 pound-feet of torque, 6-bolt main bearing crank. This is stuff you don't see on window stickers anymore. Like, people nowadays are concerned that their kids won't plug a fork into the rear outlet. This one's like, yeah, we got a 6-bolt main bearing crank. This is when, you know, I'm not gonna lie, people weren't idiots. Oi. How do you function? You'd think I would know this, but I don't. So I don't know where the handle is. You know what? Whatever. I'll try the other side. That might be broken. 135,000 miles, like I said. That's definitely broken. 5.6 LE. She's got some rust on her, not too bad. These were definitely put on because of rust. Yep. Oh yeah, she's gone under there. Do you open? See, okay. So that side's just broken. This one opens up in really good shape. Power seats. I'm going to Rockford Fosgate 350 watt audio. Like, they were so specific. Now window stickers say, yeah, it's got 6 speakers. They don't really care anymore. That'll buff out. This is back when trucks were just trucks and people weren't snowflakes. Do have memory seats. This leather wrapped steering wheel. It's light as a feather. Found that in the truck. I do love all the storage that's in here. Heated seats, I mean, come on. You got that. Oh wait, no, I saw a meme. I saw a meme of this online, and I didn't think it was from this. I think it was from the Quest of the time. But you know, it's nice. You got a sunglasses holder to hold your sunglasses, and you got a sunglasses holder to hold your sunglasses. And then you have a sunglasses holder to hold your sunglasses. Then you have a sunglasses holder to hold your sunglasses. Oh, I'm a child. What is pretty cool is you have 2 visors. And then it actually tells you how to... This truck is just full of little, dare I say, quirks and features. It does have a check engine light, but that just means the engine's still there. Good old leaf springs in the back. They're pretty well rusted, so this thing rides like a truck. Front suspension's got some clunks, but that just means the suspension's working. I got no airflow coming my way. Why? Oh, because it doesn't work unless it's on 2. I do think there's also a differential that's going out. What are you, a 6-speed? Big big tow package. Oh yes, the big tow package. Why don't you tell me how many gears? You tell me everything else, but you don't tell me how many gears is in this transmission? Oh, 5-speed. There it is. But you'll see this torque converter. It's a big torque converter auto. See what I mean? How it just slips into the next gear. All right, truck. What you got left in the tank? That doesn't sound half bad. There's a vibration at 70. Just figured that one out. These seats are just... Oh, that's also... The truck suspension's a little bouncy. But these seats are so comfortable. Like, I don't know. This is almost from an era before we started trying too hard, where it's like everything has to be luxury. And there's a McLaren GT there. How are you brakes? Oh, brakes are good. A little pulsation. Oh, I'm an idiot. Is it really 340? Oh, come. Why did I go when everybody was getting out of school? Why did I go this way? Cruise control work? Set it at 2 miles an hour. On off. Volume.
Stunning views, entertainment, and dancing.
Entertainment and dancing. Haha. Oh God. If you haven't noticed by now, I have the sense of humor of a 2-year-old. Ooh, power pedals. Oh, that's odd. Watch, I put it in drive and the oil pressure drops. That's... Whoop. Boop. Oh, I'm 3 years old. See what I mean by a big torque converter auto? It kind of just slips in between gears and does its thing, and that's characteristic of this era of transmission. Transmissions like this were the reason people were like, I want a manual sports car, because the C5 Corvette had a transmission like that. Now I drive PDK. Like, that's the best automatic you can get. I guess just kind of make your own lane, buddy. There you go. Yeah, you figured it out. Oh no, that would have been bad. Actually, why don't I just... There. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.